Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using the viral TikTok jelly stamper. I've seen it used for the French tip, but I wanted to show you a couple different ways that you can use it, and I'm going to be doing a Halloween look here using that. I already have my full cover tips on, and I buffed up the surface. Going to be using white and black as my base coats. I'm going to be applying 2 coats of each. After applying all the polish and curing in the lamp for a full 60 seconds, I'm just going to remove the sticky layer on top with some rubbing alcohol. For my first design, I'm going to be using cat eye nail polish. For this, you're going to need a magnet. After you apply the polish, you do not cure it in the lamp. You're going to use the magnet before you cure it. Super simple, and it looks really pretty. I found the jelly stamper to give you really straight lines, so I'm taking some red, applying that on my stamper, and then I'm going to be taking that up and down the sides of the nails and also on the very tip, just kind of framing in that cat eye. Between each color, I do flash cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to be doing a blood smear look, taking some blooming gel, applying that on my stamper, and now I'm going to be mixing in a little bit of red. I should have mixed in the tiniest bit of black to darken up that red a little bit, but I guess you get the point. For my thumb, I'm going to be doing a French nail design, and then I'm going to be adding a spiderweb design on top of it. For my middle finger, I'm going to be doing another French nail tip with a pumpkin twist. I add a pumpkin on this nail towards the end of the video, but it was an afterthought and I didn't want to spoil the other nail, so stay tuned for that part. Taking that cat eye polish, once again, I'm going to be creating a French nail cat eye French on the pinky with a little eyeball accent. With the jelly stamper French method, you do tend to get some polish buildup on the nail. To fix that, just take your finger and lightly apply pressure to pick up any excess polish. Taking my Madam Glam No Wipe top coat, going to be applying the top coat on all of the nails. That's when I noticed my middle finger to be a little bare, so I wanted to add a pumpkin design on that. Out of all the nail art designs, I found this one to be the most time consuming, however still achievable and fairly easy. Applying my Young Nails Rose Cuticle Oil on all of my nails. This is the finished look. The Jelly Stamper French absolutely does work. I found all of these designs to be super easy and anyone can do it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of these nails, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!